barbecue.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode of Newbie Q Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. I'm your host Jazz, and today don't have anything really crazy for you. I'm doing some chicken breasts. I had these thawed out already. Actually, I don't even know if they're quite thawed out all the way. They seem thawed out. But anyway, we're gonna do an injection on them. I'm gonna try using some chicken broth in the injection. I really don't know. That was just kind of a last minute thing. I don't know if you're supposed to use chicken broth in your injection. I might ruin this. I don't know. I feel like it's chicken broth. It should work, right? I don't know. Whatever. We're gonna try it out. We're gonna mix it with a little bit of the Bird Booster, a little Butcher Barbecue Bird Booster honey flavor. Because, you know, I can't talk. English is tough. And the other night, I kind of cheated. This is not the first time I've used this seasoning combination. I did it the other night with the family, and they loved it. So I'm going to try it again, except we're going to smoke the chicken this time instead of just cooking it on the grill. So we're going to use my favorite, the Butterscotch seasoning, Butterscotch rub. You get this from Pepper Palace. Butterscotch, I don't have very much left on that one. So, and we're going to use the Weber Smoky Brown Sugar Dry Rub. Anyway, those two together actually turned out really well. My wife just absolutely loved it. So this time we're going to inject it, we're going to smoke it, and we're going to see how that turns out. Also, we are smoking. Yes, we are smoking. I know, probably get beat up in the comments, but we're using a pellet grill. We're using the Oklahoma Joe's to smoke it today. I don't want to break that thing out. It's just, I don't want to mess with it today. Also, I said this before, my garage is a mess. If you see it in the background, I apologize. It's a disaster in here is what it is. We've been doing stuff inside. I've been doing stuff out here. I've been gone. I went to an amazing concert the other night, so I haven't had the time to really mess with cleaning up in here. But anyway, we got our Christmas stuff up, so that's what half of it is. Half of it's Christmas crap, but whatever. Anyway, not that anybody cares. All right, let's go ahead. Let's get these chickens out. Let's get them injected. Get them seasoned up and get them ready to go on the smoker once it's ready to go. Alright, there it is in all its glory, all the chicken glory. Now, we're going to go through this on the smoker. I'm going to clean up my mess. I got a little bit of a mess going. But, I'm going to let them set for just a few more minutes, and then I'm going to take them in. They've soaked up that seasoning quite well, but there's a few, like this one still got some in the middle that's dry yet. But for the most part, it's sweated that seasoning all the way into that meat. So, anyway, I'm going to do some cleanup. And then we'll take this and throw it on the smoker. Alright, well that one hadn't soaked up a whole lot more, but we're we're gonna go ahead and throw them on. So, crap. Put that there. Open this up. Now we're gonna put it on this rack. I moved it down a little bit so that way it's not on top of this rack. It's up here. It gets that full smoke surrounding each piece of chicken, and we're just gonna slap them on, just like that. Probably should have started down just a little bit farther, but that's okay. Just like that. Then we'll put one in the back. We'll put this one right along the back here. There we go. She's on. Alright, so a couple things I want to tell you real quick. One, it's cold enough you can see my breath and I don't have a shirt on, or a jacket on, because it's actually warm here, which is weird. I don't know. Anyway, so I got the temperature set at 250. It's at 197 now. It's just because I had the lid open. But I put a probe in it, so we're gonna find out and make sure you know, I don't overcook them. I am using Pit Boss pellets. They're the competition blend pellets. I like them. They seem to work great. Don't have any problems with them. So anyway, that's what that's set at. I'm hoping at 250, maybe like an hour or two. It's not gonna take that long to smoke these, but you know, whatever. Also, if you haven't yet, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, comment down below, and that way you can keep seeing all my stuff, and all that of course helps me out with my, you know, getting my videos seen more. Also, I have a Instagram and a Facebook page at NewbieQ2020. That's what you got to do. Go to Facebook, NewbieQ2020. You'll find me. Instagram, NewbieQ2020. You'll find me. Check me out. I post stuff on there. I don't post all the time. Let's be real honest. I try to post a few times a week, but that's about it. But anyway, check me out, guys. Also, something else I didn't tell you guys. I mentioned what pellets I was using. That's it. That is all the pellets that I have. I am out. I am out of pellets. So I hope, I'm really hoping that I get this cook done with before I run out of pellets. I think I can do it. That's quite a bit of pellets. I think it'll be fine. I don't think it'll use that much, but I get a little nervous when that is all the amount of fuel that I have left. If for some reason this doesn't go right, I'm gonna have to run to the store. So, or take the chicken out and put it in the oven, I guess. I don't know. But that's it. That's all I got. I guess I'm gonna have to make a store run and buy some more pellets. Also, that brings me to my next topic. I want you guys to comment below. What pellets do you use? What brand, flavor, whatever. What pellets do you use? What pellets do you like to use? And I want to know, if you use charcoal, what charcoal you like. Do you like the Kingsford charcoal briquettes? Do you like the lump charcoal? I'm a huge fan of the Royal Oak lump charcoal, and I'm really a huge fan of the B&B out of Texas. I'm not sure if it says, I don't think it says it on the bag, but anyway, the B&B brand is out of Texas. They do a lump charcoal, and they're amazing. I love that lump charcoal. Problem is, only place I can find it around here is at Academy, and that's about an hour-and-a-half drive. So, just gonna have to get the Royal Oak for now. But tell me what you like. Tell me what you prefer, what you suggest. I'm down to try some other stuff. I like to try some other pellets. I really like these. I've tried the Royal Oak charcoal pellets. I love them. They do run a little hotter in the grill, but I like them. I do like them. I like to buy some more, but I haven't been able to find any in a while. At least none close enough to me. So anyway, let me know. Put your comment down in the comment section, and tell me what you suggest. All right, here we go. Look at that. It says 171. So it's a little windy, so I apologize. Ooh, look at those. Look at how gorgeous that is. Woo-wee. Okay, we're gonna turn this on. Check our temperature. That's okay. Find out. Yep, that one's good. Good. Ooh, that one's good. Oh God, look at the juice just ran out of that sucker. Woo-hoo-hoo. Ooh, that one's not quite done. The one on this far side may have to go just a little bit longer, but other than that, I believe they're all good. Here, we'll check this one too. Go ahead and check it since I didn't check. That one's good. Let's just see. Okay, we're gonna leave that one go just a little bit. We're gonna flip it over, but it'll be fine. It'll be fine. We're gonna pull this one. Whoop, there we go. And we're gonna start taking these chickens off. Look at that. Look how gorgeous that looks. I'm gonna let this one go just a little longer. Set it right there in the middle. Let it go a little bit. A few more minutes on that one. Alright, let's take these in. Look at those. Alright, we're going to take a quick picture, put them up here on the cutting board. Take a picture for the thumbnail. And then we'll cut one open. Try it out. Alright, here we go. Set you down here. Whoop. Try to cut into the sucker for you. Let you see what it looks like. Oh, see the juice run out of that? Woo-hoo-hoo-wee. Does that look good or what? Oh, look at that. Got a little bit of pink around there. Isn't that nice? Woo. Alright. We're gonna taste it. Look at that. Oh, look at the juice just still flowing out of it. Oh man, doesn't that smell good too? Whew. That's freaking good. That's freaking good. It's super juicy. Super juicy. That's some good, super juicy chicken. Whew. Man, that was delicious. Alright, I brought you back over here because I wanted to show you, see if we can show you how much juice comes out of this. Like look at all the juice down here. I don't know if you can see that or not. See if I get the camera just a little closer. Like, look at the juice just run out of this piece of meat. Whew, look how juicy that is. Oh, it's so good too. Alright guys, that's it for me. That's it for this week. All this chicken I'm gonna go cut up. I'm gonna have some dinner with it, and then may take some for lunch this week. But that is some juicy, delicious chicken. I mean, it is just full of juice, just dripping out of it. It's so amazing. Anyway, that's it for me. Like I said before, go hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and we'll see you guys next time on another episode of Newbie Q Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. Peace out.